Hello students, myself Suresh VS. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very important topic for the students of class 11th and 12th. That is job application with biodata. It's very important for you because it will be asked in your board exam and also you can use it in your future because you are the future job seekers. Before starting it, please take a screenshot of it. See, I have given an example with the question. Let us go through the question first. You are Rajan or Rajani, 256, Sector 3, Udaipur, Rajasthan. You have seen an advertisement for the post of a science teacher in Vivekanand Public School, Ashok Vihar, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Write a letter in response to the advertisement applying for the post. Give your detailed biodata as well. So here you see that first of all you have to write the frame address, that is the sender's address. Sender's address is given here Rajan or Rajani. But you should not mention the name as I told you in the previous video. So you will write only the address, write the full address, then only the person can reply to you or recipient can reply to you. So the address has been given here 256 Sector 3 Udaipur, Rajasthan. Then skip a line, write the date 25th May 2013, 14, whatever may be. But it is not necessary to write like this, but I prefer write the date first. You can write May 25th, in that case you have to put comma. Then skipping a line, write the receiver's address, the principal, that is the designation. Don't forget to add definite article the principal. Vivekanand Public School, Ashok Vihar, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Taking note of this, you see that all the elements are aligned to the left margin. Or no space is left anywhere. Everything must be aligned to left margin. And afterwards the subject. Subject, as it must be very brief. Use 6 or 7 or 8 words only. Then application for the post of science teacher. Then followed by that salutation. So here, sir. Then we are starting the letter. When you start the letter, take care, dear students, give a reference where you have seen this advertisement or how did you come to know that there is a post vacant in that school. So you have to mention it first. And I have written it as an introduction. With reference to your advertisement given in Times of India. Sometimes in question it will be given in local daily. Some students used to write in the address, receiver's address local daily. Don't write the name of a title of a newspaper. In the case of a national daily, it means that a newspaper published nationwise. So here, with the reference to your advertisement given in Times of India, that means you have come to know about it from the advertisement given in Times of India. I mentioned the date also, dated 9th April 2015, 14, 15, whatever may be. Then you have to mention the date. I wish to apply for the post of science teacher. This is the expansion of your subject. Take it as the introduction to the application. And then we are coming to the next paragraph. There you can give your experience as well as your qualification, your skills, or all the details you can give in the second paragraph. I have been teaching chemistry since 2000 in various schools in the city, and I have also guided the students in many competitions and science quiz contests. Last, our team won science olympiad in national level. I have also been in charge of the school science department for the last 5 years at my current place of employment. Then last paragraph. So we are giving a conclusion. In conclusion, what is included, you see that I assure you, I promise you that my devotion to the work while working under your kind control. That means the person is giving assurance that he or she will do the best. Then I will also attach a place for biodata and testimonials. And as an attachment, the person is giving the biodata as well as some testimonials. For your kind pursuit I also wish to inform that I have to give a month's notice if I desire to leave my present position. The person is working in somewhere, and if the person gets assurance only, he or she can give the notice of 1 month in advance. And yours faithfully. As I told you earlier, Y must be capital letter, no inverted comma must be used, then the name. If it is a Rajan, then you can write Rajan or Rajani, then sign. And followed by that, if you have some documents to be attached, write here and closes. And what are the documents, the list of the documents that you are going to attach with it, give the details of that. Here the attachments are there, biodata, then 2 passport size photographs, copy of testimonials, copy of certificates. Now let us see how to write the biodata. Give the title biodata, and you can give the title curriculum vitae also or resume, and followed by that name. Write the name of the person. For example, if it is Rajan, write Rajan here. Then father's name. We don't know the father's name, that is not given in the question. You may write XYZ. Mother's name, that also not given. You can write ABC. Date of birth, you can give 6/4/2000 or 2000 date of birth. And you may give the address here. Address is given here. Rajan or Rajani. Rajan 256 Sector 3 Udaipur. The detailed address is there. Nationality, that is Indian. Marital status, that means whether you are married or not. So unmarried. If it's unmarried, write. Mobile number 94. Give the mobile number here. See, followed by that your educational qualifications. And you will make a column and write all the details. City number, exam, college or board or university, year of passing and percentage. And 10th board, 10th exam, whether it's a CBSE, Rajasthan board, which board it is, and the place you can mention. And year of passing, that is 2000, and you will write the percentage that you got in that particular exam. Then 12th CBSE Ajmer 2002, 75%, and followed by that BSc. And Amity University 2003 and 92%. So give all these details like this. And followed by that work experience. It's if work experience is there, you can make it again the column same like this and give the serial number, which are the places that you have worked. You can give that details also. And the place where you are present, working present, that details also you may give. Then strength. And you are able to do something, do you have some ability, and also your skills, you can add more information if needed, like your hobbies and also the strength, all these details you can give. And salary expected, if is it negotiable, and how much salary you expect, all the details if you want you can add. And most important thing, you have to give the 2 references, that is 2 reference addresses. And here one, for example, Mr. Sudesh and address. And the next one is that Miss Jyotika and address. And this way you have to give the full reference address also. This is all about the job application as well as the biodata. Dear students, I hope you understood it. I will be coming with the other letters or formal letters in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you. Thank you.